aku ada di kamarnya Cassandra. Dia lagi ngapain? What are you doing, guys?
Putting on my new cosplay.
New cosplay. Haha.
Yeah. Hiya.
What happened?
I did not see label.
Oh, barang-barangnya. Is Carissa know it?
Yeah, okay.
Sa?
No, don't call her in here.
Okay. Don't call her. Okay, don't call her. Ini yang belum dibuka. Kita lihat. Do you want to come in?
No.
Why not? Kita intip dulu di luar. Nah, di luar kayak gitu. Gelap karena malam.
Hiya.
Not yet?
I
Ini apa pula ini? What the heck is that? Ini apa pula? You know how to use it?
yeah.
That's too difficult. Ini itu apa pula itu? Hai.
And my friend get my friend get a cosplay like this. You know this one? Take her 2 hours to put it
2 hours? Wow. What's that?
Put that in there?
That's funny. Do you need help?
No. Wait, I need
Too many accessories in here, you see?
really.
Most of it is just like, not too much.
Oh, look at your hair. Very nice. Can I have a look?
Wait, wait, did I get the...
Siapa yang bisa baca?
Oh, I made a mistake.
It's not a mistake as long you not cut it. Fine.
I think I was supposed to...
Oh.
I think I was supposed to remove it once I put it in. Oops.
Do you want to open the window?
No. Hiya. Oh no, oops. I think...
If me, I will give up. I prefer wear t-shirt. But it's beautiful. It's very good material. It's not crappy.
Yeah, that's why it's 200.
200.
I mean, it was 100, but it's 100 for shipping. It's like 120, but
Where is a ship from?
China.
China or Japan?
China.
China?
Yeah. Because the company is from China, I think.
Oh, is it you get in Amazon or where?
No, on Amazon.
No?
No,
Where?
Amazon is crappy.
Or you get from another website?
Yeah. Oops.
Itu aksesorisnya nggak usah dipakai. Cuman ini, lihat, cakep banget dia. Ini seperti ini nih. Kayak gini ya. Ini dia bikin sendiri loh ini. Dia bikin sendiri dari kertas yang difotokopi. Very good.
wait.
No, I just look.
Oh, and look at
Mommy come with daddy. Terbalik. Yeah, you see? What?
I have 2 cosplay of him. I have this one, this version I wore last
Yeah.
time. And I have this one.
Okay.
Which is what I wear.
Next time you wear this thing, okay?
Yeah, because it's simple to put on.
Yeah.
It was only like...
Is it simple?
yeah, it was only $50.
Oh,
Instead of this one, it's $200. It takes so much.
yeah. You need help?
No.
You can do it? What this look like? Oh.
Hey, I put the wrong one.
Ini nggak tahu ini apa namanya, aku juga nggak paham. Tapi ini lucu banget bonekanya, lucu-lucu. Oh, ini tahu nggak ini Ini penuh dengan memori ini kucing ya. Ini kita beli saat Cassandra mau operasi besar, operasi kanker. Terus kita belikan ini di festival apa ya? Kowloon ya. Festival Walk. Kita kan operasinya di Baptist Hospital, ini belinya di Festival Walk. Saat dia umur 1,5 tahun. Sampai sekarang masih ada, ini udah umur 14-an tahun ya, kucing. Namanya Festival Cat jadinya. Ini pandanya juga masih ada, ini dari Ocean Park, Hong Kong.
You know, I have so many other cosplay.
What? How many?
Well, I have my Haikyuu one.
How many?
I have my Demon Slayer one. I have.
You got Demon Slayer too?
This is my other Scaramouche one.
Okay, let's see it next time, okay? Now it's just
I have
that. Naruto too?
No, just a headband.
Okay, it's ready, let me see.
No, I'm not ready.
I know, but it's what it look like.
No, it's so
But not it full, it's just some of it. Unboxingnya kayak gini, susah banget kalau aku mah nyerah deh.
I have the wrong.
Okay, do you need belt? Not need.
Yeah.
Yeah? No need belt. I just want to see what this look like on you.
What is what gonna be?
Oh, is that the belt, right? Yeah.
Just make sure it's not gonna fall off in the future. So make it.
Oh, next time maybe you sew it up. You need the help?
No, I had to bend it. Bend it.
You need help?
No. Like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's correct. Let me see.
Okay, now I have to put this on
Oh, okay.
again.
Again. So the leg is for the this and then the white. And then you wearing shoes. What kind of shoes?
A sandal, I guess.
Sandal?
Or my sneakers, I guess.
Do you need the new shoes?
Yeah. I get to for next year. Not right now. It's not important right now.
You're gonna put on the sock?
Yeah, why not? Wait.
Lot of work. In me, I give up. You sweating?
No.
Where is the neck? Oh, you gonna wear it still? Oh my God! What is that? Earring?
It's not earring.
No?
It's no.
What's that?
I think I need to look in the mirror. Wow.
It look nice, right? It look nice. What's that now? Another? What is it?
This one glow as well.
Huh? Glow? You opening everything, guys. Oh, that's too big.
It's not big.
Ini anak mau kemana pula? Senjatanya, ya Allah. Oh, that is with the pin. Is the pin in it?
Yeah.
You can put in anywhere.
Oh, I can put that on next time now.
Yeah.
Glow in the dark.
Oh, is it glow in the dark?
Yeah, that's why I have battery.
Yeah. Keep it for next time. Keep it. That is when you wear it next time. Then you wear that. Do you need help?
No. Don't need help.
Yeah. I can buy a 2-hand bag.
Yeah, but look at the detail. So much detail.
Yeah, I can get 2-hand bag for coach. And you got only one.
say, woman?
I suppose I get 2 handbag and you get that one. The what I call the clothes. What is it?
Okay, I don't want to do all the folding right now.
Let me see. Just let me see like that. Okay, come. Do next time. Let me see now. Let me see.
But
Show me
the
your
other one is
face.
so simple.
Yeah, next time the simple one. This one is not easy. Busana.
This one is $100. That one is $50.
Let me see your face here. Move your hair first.
No.
No.
You can see my eye.
I cannot see your eye. One
cannot?
little bit more. Very beautiful. Let me see. Wait. Smile. Little bit here.
What do you mean?
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. No need a sock. That's it. That's unboxing. Ini biar dia puyeng sendiri. Okay. You put all together. So don't lose it.
I'll wear this in the September con.
Yeah.
When it's not hot.
Yeah.
So
No,
this is-
tiga.
This is
You,
sweaty.
do you need help?
This is sweaty compared to this one.
Oh my God, you still have it? How many in there?
I have this one. And I have that one under there, and I have this one.
This one,
And I
this
have
one. Look at that.
My haiku
Look
shirt.
at it here.
What? This person gave it to me
Why?
because she doesn't use this, so I can use it to practice.
To
I think I
cut.
need to buy another wig.
Oh my God, to buy another one.
No, it's because that last one wasn't.
Okay, you take it off now. That's
Yeah.
it. Oh, let me see. Action
No.
first. Walk.
See, I have
Catwalk.
this.
Yeah.
See, look.
Ah, nice. What his name?
Wonder.
Wonder Cassandra.
No. Or Scaramouche.
Scarmouche. And you Scar Cassandra.
No.
That is Scarmouche.
Yeah.
Very
He's a bad
cool.
guy.
Oh, and you a good girl.
No, I'm not.
You're not.
He used to be a bad guy. Now he's good now.
No, he is not good now. And you
No, he's
also good
now.
now.
No, he's good now.
You are good too now.
So sweaty.
Very nice. It's good color on you. Have a green and blue and white, purple. Okay.
Yeah.
What next? You take it off now? Or you want to cosplay?
No, let's see, just like him.
Okay, you want cosplay now? You're gonna go down and
No.
cook fried rice?
No, I cannot cook fried rice in this.
Too hot. Okay, next time with the other
I
one.
can cook fried rice in my other one, my haiku or my demon slayer, not this one.
Okay. How about you?
I have a Naruto headband.
Okay, how about you dress up like mommy?
No.
Okay, put away all, okay? Okay, that's it. Nice. Do you say thank you to daddy?
Yeah, I say thank you. I think.
You think? Oke ya teman-teman, gitu aja unboxingnya ya.
Why are your followers so want to
Wonder-
see my cosplay?
Very nice, very funny.
What do you mean funny? You make fun of me?
No, you're so cute.
No, I'm not.
Cute.
I am a menace.
What's that? What that mean?
It's like mean or something.
Oh, you mean? You're not mean. You're not mean. You just sometimes you need quiet, right? Sometimes people need quiet time, just like me. Sometimes mommy need a quiet time too. You need help?
Yeah, because you snarky.
What? Okay, look, mommy
You know,
gonna help you.
sometimes at 3 in the morning at night, I get bored, so I wear one of my cosplay, and then I'm like, and then I take it off.
Okay. Okay.
See,
so-
this is the best quality cosplay I have now.
Oh, this is the best one, the best quality. Yeah, I think so. This is very
I still
cool.
haven't worn my. I still haven't.
How about the pink one last time you bought? Where is it?
I still haven't worn this.
Where is the pink one?
Still haven't put this on.
What's that?
Eye contact.
Oh, yeah. Where is the costume, the pink one?
What pink one?
Last time you have pink color.
I give it to Carissa.
Why you give?
She liked that movie. I don't.
Oh, is that the what they call the movie?
Spirited Away.
Oh, what?
Spirited Away.
Is that the one? Is the game thing?
Well, that's the one, the pink one. Huh? I have Demon Slayer.
Oh,
I have the Demon Slayer one. This one.
oke dah. Gitu aja teman-teman. Sekian. Ya ampun, still have another one. Oh, maybe Daddy bought it for you. Always buy.
This one was last September.
Bapaknya nih Bali mulu.
This one in May. My other Scar one, January.
Okay. Say bye-bye though, everyone.
Bye bye everyone. I'm sweaty.
Okay, let mommy help you.
No, I can do it.